Welcome to ZK Mobile. Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey back to one of the most iconic mobile phones ever made, the Nokia 3310. Known for its unbreakable design, legendary battery life, and classic Snake game, this phone set the standard for durability and reliability. Let's dive into why the Nokia 3310 remains a fan favorite even decades later. A phone built to last. Released in 2000, the Nokia 3310 was designed for simplicity and toughness. Unlike today's fragile smartphones, this phone could survive drops, water splashes, and extreme conditions without a scratch. Its compact, curvy design made it comfortable to hold, and its removable battery ensured it could last for days on a single charge. Battery life that never ends. One of the biggest highlights of the Nokia 3310 was its unbelievable battery life. With a 900 mAh battery, the phone could last up to a week on a single charge, something modern smartphones can only dream of. No need for power banks or fast charging, the Nokia 3310 was always ready to go. Snake. The ultimate mobile game. Long before mobile gaming took over, the Nokia 3310 introduced us to Snake 2. A simple yet addictive game, it kept millions of users entertained for hours. It didn't have high-definition graphics, but it didn't need them, it was pure, classic fun. Indestructible reputation. Over the years, the Nokia 3310 has earned a reputation as one of the toughest phones ever made. Internet memes and durability tests have made it a cultural icon, proving that this little phone can withstand anything, from being run over by a car to falling from great heights. The 2017 reboot. Due to its legendary status, Nokia reintroduced the 3310 in 2017 with a fresh look, a color screen, and even a camera. While it couldn't replace modern smartphones, it brought back nostalgia for those who missed the simplicity of the original. Conclusion. The Nokia 3310 wasn't just a phone, it was a symbol of reliability, durability, and simplicity. Even today, it remains a legend in mobile history. Would you still use a Nokia 3310 in 2025? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ZK Mobile for more mobile tech stories. Thanks for watching.